Friends, welcome to our channel IT Index. This video is based on troubleshooting part 2nd. Okay, now in this video we have chosen one of the most burning problem again. The problem is that suppose you lost all the users and group from the Redhat server, or by mistake all the root and the local users are all the groups are deleted from the server. Then how you can recover that? In this video we are going to discuss that only. Now we can create some users. Okay, the command is add user and username. Suppose we type Aman. Okay, provide the password. You all know the how to provide the password in Linux. Password is provided successfully. Okay, now again one more user. We can say that username is Om. Sorry, the command is okay. Now provide the password for Om. You all know how to see the users in Linux. For that we simply use the command cat etc and passwd. Here you can see that both the users are present. Which we have created just now, Aman and Om. Okay, by mistake now we can also see the group, or we can add new groups. Then the command is group add, and the group name is IT Index. Okay, and the second group, suppose Kanpur. Okay, no problem, any name. Kanpur. Okay, now we can see also group. You all know how to see the group in Linux. We simply use the command cat etc and group. Here you can see that our both the groups are present, IT Index and Kanpur. Okay, now we have come back to our users file, cat etc and passwd. First we have to discuss on that only. Okay, there is two users, Aman and Om. Okay, switch to Aman. Aman user, come on. You can see that we successfully log into the Aman user. Switch to Om. We simply log into the Om user, no problem. Switch back to our root user. Now if you deleted by mistake any user, or you lost all the users from the Redhat server or CentOS or Fedora, then how you can recover it? This is the major problem that we face in the industry. Okay, now we are going to proceed our process. Now we delete the user. Then here we are going to delete just for that, because if we delete the user, then after we can recover it. Okay, in industry, if you lost the user or by mistake you deleted, for that purpose how you can recover it. This video is based on that only. We deleted the Aman user. Okay, it is in progress. We exit from Okay, now you can try to delete the user and home. Okay, now you can see the file. Here you can see that earlier home and Aman user is present there. Now they are not because we have deleted this user. Then how you can recover that? Okay, now see it carefully. Go in the etc directory, cd etc and press ls. Now here you have to search the passwd file. Here you can see that passwd file is present, and below that passwd file is present, and below that one more file is present, that is passwd hyphen. It contains backup of all the users of passwd. Okay, now you can see, now we can go to the passwd hyphen file. Here you can see that no Aman home user is present, but in hyphen passwd hyphen file, here you can see that home user is present there. Okay, no problem. Then how you can recover that in passwd hyphen file? Simply you have to copy cp hyphen r passwd no, go in the cat etc, copy passwd hyphen and to passwd. It will ask for override, type yes. Okay, now you can see that your user has recovered. Okay, so this video is totally based on troubleshooting skills, how you can recover the lost user in our Red Hat server. Okay, in next video we will discuss how to recover the lost group if you deleted or you lost the groups from the Linux environment. Okay, if you want more video on troubleshooting, please mention your comment in the comment box.